What's up? It's your guy NAUJOXX and welcome to my channel where I am showing you how to take over the internet just like this baby. Well, to take over the internet, you don't necessarily need an awkward baby, but you need to know what fashion styles are trending recently. Let's get right into it. In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 fashion hacks that you should know and add to your fashion game. Let's take over in 2021 and let's get right into the first one. The first fashion hack is something that you might already know, and I feel like most people don't really care too much about it, and that's layering. Layering makes your outfits so much more interesting and gives people a feeling that you put thought into your styles. So instead of wearing just a hoodie, you can put an oversized t-shirt under it so people can see 2 layers, so 2 pieces of your outfit. Also, what you should do is to crop your hoodies so it looks a little bit more baggy and chill. Now you can add a flannel as a 3rd layer, and as you can see, this fit looks a lot better than just a plain hoodie. Tuck in your shirts. I can't emphasize it too much, but tucking in your shirts really boosts your styles. Not only is it looking way cleaner and smart, but it also makes you more stylish and fit. And to make it look nice and smooth, tuck it in all the way and now raise your shoulders and arms. You don't want it to come out too much because then it looks very baggy and not really nice anymore. One of my best tips that I could give you is to never wear more than 3 colors within one outfit. I mostly only wear 2 colors, but if you do 3, make sure that black, white or gray is one of them. Fashion goes into a very minimalistic direction. Do you remember the times when more was more? The main switch started this year when people stopped wearing all that hype stuff, and people started to combine very minimalistic clothes like a white t-shirt, denim or sweatpants, and then some sneakers. So what you need in 2021 is exactly that. Don't wear too many patterns or big prints and go for very plain and clean designs, and you'll be very stylish for 2021. As I said in the last hack, smart or suit pants are a must in 2021. Depending on what website you check in, it's either white suit pants or smart sweatpants. The reason why you should own at least 1 or 2 is that they are very clean and comfy at the same time. And you can combine them to pretty much everything and they look way better than the usual sweatpants. Sweaters, hoodies, to a suit, whatever you feel like, it'll work. You can wear them to family dinners, events, or even as an everyday outfit. That's not a tip that only applies for 2021, but I felt like I needed to remind you. Watches have such a great impact on your outfits and really make a big difference. Accessories in general are very important if you want to look good. They grab attention of people very fast and they look very smart and nice. And you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to get a nice watch or some cool chains. ASOS, Zalando and others sell them for pretty affordable prices. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know if there's anything I forgot and I'm looking forward to chat with you in the comments. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and you can wear it to family parties, to events, or even you can add a flannel to your fit, and as you can we're going to talk about 6 fashion hacks.